Hi guys, this is 2015 Toyota Corolla. You can see the traction control light is stay on the cluster. So first I scanned the car. So then I found this code C1336 0-point calibration declaration sensor undone. So this what happened. Sometimes you change the spiral cable, the clock spin, so we have to calibrate for the steering angle sensor. So that's why it's a dash, it's a light showing the traction control. So first you have to erase the code. You can clear it. Then after go utility, go the test mode. Next, okay, vehicle is level surface, shift in park, engine not running, ignition on. Okay, go next. Okay, now you can see the cluster. You can flash in both lights. Okay, now we can see when the ABS and VSC light blinks, the calibration is complete. So calibration is complete. Okay guys, again the turn off the ignition and start the car. Okay, traction light is gone. So that's how the calibration of the steering angle sensor with the computer. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.